In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Flutterwave to Systeme.io in 2026. Step-by-step tutorial. Before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my video. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. And if you have any question you want to ask after you finish watching this video, write it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Now let's get started. This is how it's going to look like. Then go to this image, then go to setting. When you go to setting, you can see this right side, this side, you can see payment gateway. Click on it and it's going to load. Then scroll down until you see Flutterwave. You can see Flutterwave. Then click on connect at the front and it's going to show you this option, connect your Flutterwave account. Then you go back to your Flutterwave account, and if you don't have Flutterwave account, I will leave a link to create your Flutterwave account in the description below this video. You can click on it and it will take you directly to Flutterwave. Then you create your account. You understand? After you create your account, you verify it. And let me tell you, before you create your account, make sure you use the exact name that is on your ID card. Use the name that is on your ID card. Then you create your account. So because you are going to verify your account and you are going to use your either your driving license or your any government ID card you have. Do you understand? That is what you are going to use to verify your Flutterwave account. Then after that, you come down to setting. You can see setting. Click on setting and you scroll down. This file, scroll down, straight down. You can see API key. Open it. And when you open it, let me scroll down. API key, public key. Now secret key and okay, let's copy this first. Let me click on generate key first. Let's see what's gonna happen. Enter code. What code again? Do I receive any code? Yes, from my phone number, on my Gmail rather. 10728283030. Then we click on generate new key. Now this is the key. Now do you understand? Right now this is the key we generate. Then you copy the first one, public key. You go to this side, you paste it here, paste. You go back, secret key, you copy it. You go back, you paste it here. Then you go back and copy the third one. Do you understand? Now let us paste it. Now then you click on save. Now it has connected successfully. Do you understand right now? So this is a step-by-step how to connect Flutterwave with Systeme.io in 2026, guy. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. One love.